When you want to use the TUE template in one of your courses, open your dashboard and open the course. Then on the right side, click on Import from Commons. Now Commons will open and you are able to filter on all things that are shared between Eindhoven University of Technology. Click on Template TUE. On the right side, you will find the courses that are yours. Click the one you will import it to and click Import into Course. It will now download the template into this course. If you go back to the dashboard and open the course again, you will see the template on the homepage already. So here is only the homepage, but there is more to this template. There is also a module with a modular overview. You will see the content of that later. There are also some additional pages. Some are attached to the homepage, and there is also an additional page that you can use for all the other courses. Step 2. Click on Settings again and then choose Import Course Content on the right side. You can now copy your course from last year or last edition. Just simply type the code and select the course. Click All Content to import the entire course, and you are able to adjust the events and due dates by, for instance, shifting everything one day. Then click Upload. It will now take some time to import this course into your old course. Use this time to open up the old course in another tab. This might be helpful with you copying the information from the one start to another. This will now be your homepage. You now see that there is already one announcement that you copied from last year, and all the modules are there that you also had in the previous edition of this course. You will still see that one module on top, and you will see that there is a lot of more pages right now. Go back to the homepage to start editing and adjusting your course. This is your homepage. You want all the old information copied into this new template. So open the editor. You are now able to make this screen a little bit bigger by taking this down a bit. You can simply drag and drop that. When using the template, you will see that there are instructional text everywhere to help you get around. Go to the other course now and copy the text that you want to have in the introduction of this new course. You can copy this and then select it here and simply paste. Now fill in the entire homepage by filling all the other parts as well. Then this is all finished, except for this last part, the lecturers and contact. Here you want to add something. Click Edit and go to the editor again. Now scroll down. Change the names, change their function, and then change the email address. Now watch. You can copy this, but then you have to select the name. Click on the link icon, write mail to colon followed by the email address. Now this is a working link. You can now change the image of this person. Please select the photo, go to the picture, select Canvas, and then select Course Files. You can now do two things. You can select one that you've already had there, or you can upload a file, but always use the course files. And click Save. Now this photo is updated. There's also a line of text stating something about the rights that can be derived from Canvas. You just want to keep it there. Now your homepage is fully finished, and you can start editing the other parts. Let's start with the schedule. You can copy an already existing schedule, use an image or a file, or you can fill in the one provided. You can then simply write down what you want to state and click Save. Go back to the homepage now, so we can start editing the study guide as well. There is a page for this that opens the file inline. So now you open the page, it will automatically open the file. You want to do this with your study guide as well. Go to Edit. If you want, you can shortly address your students by a line of text. But at least you want to add the study guide to this page. So if you are done writing, take a look over to the right side and click on Files. Select the study guide. Then you are able to change this title. For this one, I want to delete the one at the front and the PDF at the end. My students won't need to see that. Then select the entire title, click on the link icon, and choose the second option. This one makes your files open up immediately when this page is opened up. So now, when you open this page, the study guide will automatically open. You have now finished all the elements that belong to the home page. Let's go one step further and go to the module overview. Here, you will find the module overview page. This page is used to provide your students with specific information about that specific module. Click on the three dots on the right side first to duplicate the page. You will do this in order to be able to use the module overview in the template over and over again by changing the title and changing everything that is in here. You can adapt this to every week, every subject, or every other module structure. In this page, you can also make links to the specific lecture slides for this week for this topic. Here you can see that whenever you write text, you can also link that to a document without having to restate the document's name. Here you will see you can link to an assignment as well. Oh, and hey, you can change the title if you need to. You've now finished the overview for this week. Good luck with changing all the others.